Technology alone is not important. What is important is the solution that we build out of this technology.
How they have specifically changed the use of technology over the last 2 years to be able to handle these disruptions, and how you plan to use technology in the coming, say, year or two, not just to handle the current problems, but to also create new and better opportunities for your customers going forward.
IQ is a technology startup that specializes in the supply chain and logistics sector. We went live in November 2019 by opening the first robotic fulfillment solution in the entire MENA region. And that's really to enable e-commerce sellers, direct-to-consumer brands, multinational companies, or 3PL providers at the same time. So that's our operational arm. We run a robotic fulfillment solution. That's one. Two is that we have IQ Robotics, which is our technology arm that transforms everyone that wishes to transform from the regular brick and mortar into the new digital era. So whether you are a family group, governmental, private sector, we go in and we transform you with a robotic solution, whether you're courier, post, sortation, etc. So we do have a fully fledged team out of UAE, which is an 80 people team, and we're growing on that front. So that's the transformation arm. Now, what we launched recently at the Expo, end of last year, is IQ Hybrid. So realistically, how can we really go global with what we built? As everyone said, technology is difficult. We can't really understand technology, whether to use robotics, automation, ACRS. There's multiple kinds of technologies, but technology alone is not important. What is important is the solution that we build out of this technology, whether it's easy to use for everyone else. And that's what we really built within IQ Hybrid, which is our licensing solution in order to go global for IQ fulfillment. So hence, imagine we connected all the dots and we're putting everything in a box for you. So if you're sitting in Egypt, Kuwait, or wherever you are, we're gonna give you robotics, automation, SOPs, SOWs, blueprint manuals, everything in a box on a licensing model. And that's really how we build a connected fulfillment solution network globally. So just to answer your question about people, of course, resources is the most important factor, and technology alone will never work. So you need the people to work with technology. We know that automation and robotics is 70% less labor, correct? That is true, but at the same time, it's educating the people on technology and the benefits of technology. So we tried it differently. It's working out, hopefully, with us till now. So if you wanna pay-as-you-go model, you're on board with us. If you want the tech, we can give you the tech. If you don't want either of this, we're gonna give you the licensing solution. Right. So, but people is crucial for the technology to work.